How do you take a video on this? What up, host? My name's Ty, and today I'm gonna crimp my hair. So, ever since the early thousands, I've always been fascinated by the hair crimping. I used to do it to my cousin all the freaking time, and I always wanted to try it. But now, since it is 2017 and the 90s are in, why not give it another shot? But this time to myself. Okay. First things first, I'm gonna use this Tresemme shit so I don't burn my motherfucking hair off. I am drinking wine, by the way. Okay. What up, pal? I'm doing my hair. Would you like some wine? Yes. So this is taking longer than expected, but I am powering through it. Or is it championing through it? Girl. Whew. So the volume right now went from here to...
To me, there's like at least 5 sections in this little motherfucking piece of hair. Okay, so now I really understand the hair problem is gonna fix forever. Okay, let's do this, motherfucker.
Well, I'm all done, and can I just say volume with capital letter VOLUME? Like legit though, like the volume with using a crimper, like, oh Jesus, fucking love it. So this is side part, and then this is the middle part. I kind of love the side part more just because I don't know, I just feel more fierce with it. Like, yes, bitch. Right now, I'm kind of feeling the cramp and I'm about to go out. And yes, I did drink some wine, as you can tell. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video and watching me crimp my hair. And I hope you all have a good, whatever the fuck, like a good day, good night, good whatever. Just see you soon. Like so long to film. Like, dude, I filmed forever.
It was like 5
I look like an evil queen right now. Ready? Okay, this is us being out. We're not really anywhere.
Let's check the straw in my nose.